Now, start Greenfoot. I will be using version 2.0.1 and recommend you use the same one. Once in Greenfoot, be sure to open the Wombat scenario. Click Scenario, then Open, and navigate to where Greenfoot is installed. Open the Scenarios folder, and then open Wombats. If, like me, some of the icons on the left have slashes in them, click Compile. Now you will see the Wombat World object. Now, right-click anywhere inside this Wombat World. This menu shows several methods, both its own and inherited from the world class. I will explain methods and inheritance in a future video. Now, let's take a look to the right. Scenario information does what it says and gives the brief scenario information. Next up are the world classes. Right-click on the world class to find out more about its methods in documentation or to create a new subclass. If you right-click on Wombat World, you get some other options. The Wombat World creates a new Wombat World object. This is done anytime you click Compile. Open Editor allows you to change the code of Wombat World. The other options are self-explanatory, allowing you to change the image, examine the world's current variables, or to remove Wombat World. Next up are the actor classes. The actor class features the same options as the world class, while the Wombat and Leaf classes feature the same options as the Wombat World class. The only thing is that you don't see any Wombat or Leaf objects. Right-click on the Wombat and click New Wombat. Now you can drop a Wombat object in the world. Want to create several Leaf objects real fast? Click on the Leaf object. Then move your cursor over to the world. Hold Shift and then click anywhere you like to instantly create several Leaf objects. If you now right-click on the Wombat, you will find it has several methods of its own and inherited from Actor. Right-click on the Leaf, and you will find it also inherits, but does not have its own methods. Finally, unless you hit Compile, any changes you make to the code will not take effect. Let's leave it for now, so our Wombat and Leaf objects don't disappear. At the bottom of the world are the Act, Run and Reset buttons, and the Speed slider. Act will make your program go through one act loop. Run will start a continuous loop, after which you can click Pause. Reset resets the world, and Speed, of course, changes the speed of the game. Menu contains Scenario, with options to create, open, close and save scenarios. Export allows you to publish scenarios in the Greenfoot gallery. If you want to do this, be sure to make an account if you don't have one. The other two options are to export to a web page or to an application. Edit allows you to add, or remove a class, or to change your preferences. Controls feature the previously discussed controls. New here are the debugger, which allows you to find mistakes in your program, the sound recorder, and save the world, which can add code to your world class when you add actors. And finally, help contains information about Greenfoot and its copyright. An important part here are the Greenfoot class and Java library documentation, which go into detail about all the available methods and variables. Visit the Greenfoot tutorial if you want to learn a bit more, the Greenfoot website for everything related to Greenfoot, and if you want, you can get more scenarios to try out. At the Greenfoot gallery, you can find submissions by other users. If you like, you can find my scenarios by searching for Martijn, M-A-R-T-I-J-N.